Okay, hello Facebook, everybody. Jason Brown here, coming at you. Gonna hop on, jump in, all that good stuff. Do a quick live to share some information that I feel is extremely important and I want to get out. So, there's a lot out there as far as hype. We don't do that. I don't believe in hype. I think there's a major difference, and I think people get confused by the difference between hype and excitement. And when you find something that works, and when you find something that you know can help yourself, can help others to the nth degree, then that breeds a lot of excitement, and that's exactly what we have going on. So, I'm here to just kind of share that briefly and say that we're having a webinar tonight. We do so every Wednesday with lots of great information, lots of great testimonials, lots of real results. That you can wrap your arms around and see and feel everything that's working for folks on a regular basis and that's happening quickly. I don't like to use the words life-changing, but you start making incomes that push those numbers high, and that's exactly what happens. So pretty new platform, in fact brand new. I've been in 5 weeks, made $800 thus far, and it's only Wednesday, so I'm pretty confident that there'll be more coming in this week as well. So some great information. It's a very simple process. I don't want to say easy, but some income producing activities that are pretty simple to follow, that are pretty simple to be able to complete. Something that you do every day, just like you would any other work, and doesn't have to take you all day. In fact, to get started, I would say you should focus on putting 2 hours into the business, and fairly quickly you can probably even pare that down to closer to an hour. But I would say 2 hours just to be comfortable. Distractions, whatever the case, put 2 hours into your business, start making an income, and the training is outstanding. Obviously, we all like to earn an income, and I wouldn't try to kid anyone and say that the training is more important, but the training is outstanding. The things I'm learning, the things I've already been able to change in my process in the few years I've been involved, just in these few short weeks, it is literally changing my business. So it's exciting, as I mentioned from the beginning. So if you're just seeing this, if you're hopping on live, let me know you're here. If you're catching this on the replay, give me a hashtag replay. Maybe even let me know where you're from. I like to see who's seeing me, who's out there, and maybe we can even get together on something. So I will drop the link for the webinar this evening. I should have mentioned the time, but the time is at 7 Eastern, which is 6 Central, 4 Pacific, just to make sure I don't want any time zone feeling left out. Hey, Martha, appreciate you getting on. Hey, Mary, appreciate you. And some of my teammates hopping on here supporting. I did fail to mention that as well. The mentorship that we have with the group is outstanding. I don't want to give it all away, but the team that we work with, it's all one big happy family, and I'm sure you've heard that before, and I'm sure that there's some truth in that from others, but with us it's 1,000%. We have people doing things, getting out of their comfort zone, creating changes in their lives and their business that they've not been able to do before. So again, I'll drop the link for the webinar below. Outstanding information. Hop on when you can. I really would love to see you there. Shoot me a message if you have any questions. Shoot me a message if you want the link directly to you, and I'll look forward to seeing you on that webinar night. 7 Eastern, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. See you in a couple hours. All right, peace.